The question is 100 divided by, in brackets, 5 times 4, bracket close, plus, bracket, 12 minus 2, bracket close, divided by 2. According to PEMDAS rule, P for parentheses, E for exponents, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, S for subtraction. We apply this from left to right. So first, we'll solve the parentheses. Here, solving the parentheses, 5 times 4 becomes 20. So 100 divided by 20 plus 12 minus 2 divided by 2. Let's solve it further. Now, which parentheses do you solve? So 100 divided by 20 plus 12 minus 2 becomes 10 divided by 2. Now, 100 divided by 20 plus 10 divided by 2 according to the PEMDAS rule. Here, we'll give the first priority to division and the second priority to addition. First priority to division, second priority to addition. So let's do that here. 100 divided by 20 plus 10 divided by 2. 100 divided by 20 will be 5 times. 2 into 5, the material tank will be cut 5 times now. 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 will be the time. Is this the right answer?